Hello everyone, this is Rollo from Winter Bros, and welcome to removing gunk from your coins. Just want to remind everybody that this video is strictly for reference and makes no guarantee of success or suitability to your own needs. Cleaning coins can damage them and possibly lower their value, so caution should always be taken. And please understand that if you proceed with cleaning your coins, you're doing it at your own risk and not ours. And of course, before you go about removing any gunk from your coins, you might want to make sure you have the proper tools for the job so that you can get it done properly. You definitely will never, and I repeat, never want to use tools that can scratch or damage your coins, such as metal screwdrivers, knives, or picks. In most cases, though, plastic or wooden tools will probably work. If at all possible, always use a tool that is a little bit softer than the coin that you're cleaning. Now you might be tempted to shortcut and use some for your cleaning process and use some of the chemicals, cleaning compounds for metal that are available, but please do not, because these can remove metal from the actual surface of your coin and you don't want that. Or you also might be tempted to use any of these scrubbing type cleaners. Again, please don't, because these can scratch the surface of your coin. We're now going to show you a demo of how to remove some gunk from the reverse side of a copper US penny using a proper tool that won't damage the penny.
Hello everybody, this is Rollo, and as you can see here we have a 1961D 1-cent piece from the United States Mint. It's got normal corrosion on the obverse here, but if we flip it over, and you can almost see it on that edge, there's a piece of gunk on the very back. Not sure what it is or how it got there, but we're going to show you how to take it off. Now obviously you don't want to use anything that's metallic to scrape it off, let's say like an X-Acto knife or a cutting blade, because you'd scratch your coin, so you don't want to use something like that. So what you're going to want to use is something that's not going to damage the copper or the whatever metal the coin is considered. You can use a plastic type of a tool with this, to kind of scrape it off. Or if you want, you can, what I'd say, we felt it's a soft material. You can use a wooden stick, like a popsicle stick. You can find these in craft stores and stuff, or even a wooden toothpick. Because wood, if you don't, you're not likely to scratch the metal with the wood. Of course, if you haven't got that, like I said, you can use a toothpick for like finer areas, or you can even use, if you're stuck with something like a wooden shim, just a piece of wood that you can scrape off the material. So you can see here, we can take this right here, hold the penny still, and then we can just take and scrape off that gunk. We don't know how it got on there, and you can see it's probably discolored it's discolored underneath a little bit where it's been on there for so long. We have no idea what that is. Don't really, we'll probably throw it away. And there you go. So like I said, that's how you can take stuff off of a penny to clean it and at least kind of get it back to a better condition. That definitely does not belong in there.
First, let me apologize about the lighting difference between our before and after shots. We've been experimenting with different cameras and scopes, and we didn't realize that we had changed the image source before we took the video. However, we did successfully remove the gunk, and if you notice, there's a slight red discoloration where the gunk was setting on the reverse side of the coin in the region that we cleaned. So just again, make sure that you use the right tools for the job. Avoid using any kind of chemicals, and just take your time so that you don't damage your coin at all. Well, we hope you found this video presentation helpful, and please feel free to visit some of our other websites for more interesting stuff.